Hey guys, Michael Lorimor with Heartland Credit Union. I'm the Vice President of Real Estate Lending. Today we're going to talk about kind of the interest rate environment and what that looks like for you from a purchase standpoint. But also, kind of exciting, is a refinance a good option for you? So first we'll start with refinances. Just in the last 60 days, rates have dropped over 1%. The national average has gone from 8% to just under 7%. Since October. So that's very exciting news for a lot of different reasons. Specific on a refinance, if you bought a home where you were in the high 7% range, which a lot of people did, is now a good time to refinance. So the answer is, it depends. Everybody's goals are different. How long are you going to live in a house? That's a very big question. You don't have a crystal ball any more than I have a crystal ball as far as predicting what rates will be, or how long you may live in the house. But currently you have an idea of how long you think you're going to live in the house. So that's a really important question to ask yourself before you even consider refinancing. There are costs associated with refinancing. How long is it going to take to recoup those costs? Those are just some of the few important questions that the people you do business with need to be asking you, or need to be asking yourself. So if you're interested in refinancing, please contact any real estate loan officer at HCU, and we'd be more than happy to do a mortgage review for you for free. All right, next we're going to talk about, is it time to buy? That also depends on what your goals are and what your financial situation looks like. In general, with rates dropping the way they have, the affordability index has only improved. On a $200,000 loan, as an example, if rates drop from 8 to 7, that's about $137 a month savings that you would have on purchasing a new home. That also increases your purchasing power. So instead of a $200,000 loan, if you were okay with that certain payment, you could actually make an offer for $220,000, and that'd be about the same purchasing power. So may move you up to a tier. Maybe you were comfortable or could only afford from a budget standpoint in the $190,000 range. With this recent drop in rates, maybe you can move up to the $215,000 range, which opens up a whole new bracket of homes available for sale. And that's the other point about kind of why now is a good time to buy accompanied with lower interest rates is, as we continue to go on through the year in 2024, inventory should continue to improve, which means a little less competition, and home prices. And we've all heard horror stories about people buying a house for over asking price. As inventory increases, demand will help kind of soften that a little bit to where you're not seeing or hearing a bunch of people paying over asking price. And again, makes the home more affordable, makes it easier to get into a home loan. Heartland, we have all the products necessary to fit your goals and needs. If you're in the market to buy a home, I strongly recommend that you reach out to Heartland Credit Union's loan officers, and we'd be happy to help.